Travelers headed to Mauritius do need to complete an online form before they travel. It's called the Mauritius All-in-One Travel Digital Form, and it's very straightforward to fill in. You can do it in English or in French. What you'll need is you're going to need your passport details. So that's your personal information, your travel information, your flight details, or if you're traveling by sea, the information of your vessel, as well as your accommodation information, emergency contacts, and you're going to have to answer some questions about your health and complete a declaration. So once you've gone to the official link, which I've linked in the description below, you're going to see here on this page, it's just going to ask some very basic questions about your travels. So they're going to want to know, are you traveling by air or by sea? What your country of residence is. If you're flying, they're going to want to know your airline, flight number, date of arrival. They're also going to want to know the purpose of your trip, how long you're going to be spending in Mauritius, and your initial port of embarkation, as well as the countries visited in the last 6 months. If traveling by sea, you'll see it asks for very similar questions, but they want the ship company and the ship name. Once you're done, go ahead and click Next. On this page, you just need to enter your personal information. So your last name or surname, your first name, middle name, your gender, date of birth, nationality, passport number, occupation, your mobile number, email address, and your permanent address. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Next. On this page, you need to enter in your accommodation information. So provide the address of where you'll be staying in Mauritius. You should be able to find this on your confirmation you've received from your hotel, your tour operator, or you could even Google the name of your hotel and find the address, phone number, and email that way. If you're staying at more than one property, I don't see an option for you to be able to add more than one. So I would put the first accommodation of where you'll be staying. Once you're done, go ahead and click Next. Here you need to provide your emergency contacts information. You'll need to provide their name, phone number, and email address. I would recommend putting somebody who's not traveling with you, just in case they do need to call somebody and the person that you're traveling with is also unable to help. Once you're done, go ahead and click Next. This page is your health declaration, so answer these questions truthfully, and once you're ready, click Next. This page is your declaration, so go through and make sure you've answered everything truthfully, and once you're ready, you can click this little box here and then submit. If you do need to adjust anything, you will need to go back and correct it. Once you have clicked submit, you're going to get this pop-up thanking you for completing the form. You're then going to download your form, and what I would recommend doing is saving it on your phone, just so that you can present it if you do need it, or print a copy. I personally like to print a copy just so I don't have to physically hand my phone over to people, but it's up to you. So that's it. It's that easy.